So my fuel line from my regulator back to the tank started leaking, so this guy right here, gotta replace him with my flex line and then be back on track. So, and it wasn't like it was a small leak, it was a big leak, so whatever. Crap happens.
My chocolate melted.
What?
My chocolate melted.
You're a chocolate. Yeah, so I was already telling everyone my hard line that I just replaced from the regulator back to the surge tank started leaking on me, and then the leak got real bad, and so now I'm replacing it, as you can see. So just one trawl after the other. God was like, take that fuel line, son, because that new line's gonna troll you. So I listened, and sure enough, it's trolling.
I flipped the drone and cut the grass over there, so we got a fresh cut.
Did you just say you got a fresh cut?
Yeah, we got a fresh cut.
You're the best. The hard line sucks. You're gonna do hard lines, stainless, not this bullshit. And weld the bungs on the end. You have to deal with this horse crap. I'm so mad at this damn thing. But really, I can only be mad at myself for choosing to put this on. Make wise decisions, kids.
How'd you even put that one on?
Because I want to see if it worked good, and it doesn't work good. That's why I brought this. Casey, catch it on that bottom nipple right there.
You want me to screw it in?
Yeah, if you can. You just catch it. You don't have to do it super tight.
It's catched.
Caught?
Yeah.
You said catched? Yo, you're funny as f. Oh my god. Pat, whenever I ask you for something, you do it and then you troll me. That's why we're best friends. I'm like waiting for it. Suspense is killing me. The gas comes out. I need space. Oh my god. Alright, Pat. What's the word?
Bird is the word.
You see what I gotta deal with, guys? I'm alive! Fuel line is good. Can you change the resolution on this thing? It looks way better. Nice. Anyway, guys, today has been one troll after another troll, and sometimes things just want to troll you when you get to the track, because I purposely test drove my car and drove the crap out of it yesterday and this morning before leaving. But I got here, pump went bad, changed the pump, the line was leaking profusely, tightened it, still leaking, changed the line, and now my fan relay, or the fan wire, whichever one, I don't really know, I don't have a multimeter with me, but excuse me, that was drawing too much current and fried the wire, so I had to go to the store and get some 8-gauge wire and a relay. So I'm kind of exhausted from coming here to work on my car. But it's whatever, it's part of the game, it happens sometimes. But let's see what Kevin has to say about it.
David Pumpkin Seeds.
Are you serious?
No.
Alright, David Pumpkin Seeds. I'm having flashbacks of when we were in the car for blackout.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That was fun. But we are back, and as you can see, there are so many cars in this field. Hey, take this bag, Pat. It got stuck in my hand. Get it, Pat.
There are shells.
Oh my God. It really wasn't stuck. I was just
Really?
exaggerating it. Alright, well, let's go fix this and drive for maybe an hour if I'm fast enough. Alright guys, so even though I didn't get a bunch of driving in, I got a bunch of aggressive driving in at the end of the day when I fixed all my car issues that I didn't see when I test drove the car earlier today. So, despite that, it happens, but I still had a great time, and I had a great time driving with all the South Florida homies. Thank y'all for coming, and I will see y'all next time. So, me and Pat are gonna get out of here. You have anything to say, Pat?
I never have anything to say. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Subscribe, please.
Dude, the clarity is so good on this. Look at this. Come here, come here. Come here and look at this. Come here. Dude, look at this.
Yeah.
What'd you do?
It's on 60.
Pat put black magic on my camera.
60 frames.
No, but anyway, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys soon. Subscribe, like, comment, and all that great stuff. Come out to the event, say hi, what's up. Come be our friend. We're nice. And we love you. So we'll see you soon. Bye.